Check out this 2013 Chevrolet Malibu LS. 2013 Chevrolet Malibu LS. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 123,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 22 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Introducing a 2013 Chevrolet Malibu LS in a sleek silver exterior and gray interior. This vehicle is powered by an Ecotec 2.5L i4 engine, delivering 197 horsepower and 191 foot-pounds of torque. This Malibu LS has been well maintained, and is in excellent overall condition. The factory default features for this model include air conditioning, power windows and locks, 16-inch alloy wheels, cruise control, 6-speaker audio system with a CD player, satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and OnStar with turn-by-turn navigation. Safety features include traction and stability control, anti-lock brakes, front and rear side airbags, and side curtain airbags. With its impressive fuel efficiency, this Malibu LS gets 22 mpg in the city and 34 mpg on the highway, making it a great option for daily commutes or long road trips. Overall, this 2013 Chevrolet Malibu LS is a reliable, practical, and comfortable sedan, perfect for drivers who prioritize performance and comfort. $9,995. J&DA. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, and window defogger.